Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are someone who creates content, you know how important it is to have a good tripod that you can bring with you on the go. Well, let me show you this one.
This is the 42-inch compact selfie stick and tripod from Fugetek. This is such a great little tripod. It comes with a wireless Bluetooth remote as well, and it works so great. It breaks down super small, but is really sturdy, holds your phone, and is compatible with a multitude of devices. I really love how sturdy this is, and it can be used where it is nice and small, but you can also expand it to its 42-inch capacity. And it is such a great little tool to have in your arsenal if you need something like this.
This is the perfect little companion to have with you for content creating on the go. I think it is absolutely perfect, and that is my point of view.